Hi guys, I'm Jeremiah, Chief Marketing Officer at Bridge Integrative Medicine. Like many of you, I'm working from home today. You're going to hear the kids around me here today. That's just part of working at home. Today's video is going to be on essential oils. I want to do a quick follow-up to Dr. Bruce's Do-It-Yourself Hand Sanitizer. If you haven't watched his video yet, please click on the link below, stop the video, watch that please right now because we're going to use one of his recipes in this video to reference, and if you haven't watched it, you're going to get confused. But today is on essential oils. We've got a lot of questions on social media about that. What do we use? What recipes are good? What recipes are bad? And we could go through all those recipes. There's hundreds of them by now on social media. And for the most part, if they don't contain alcohol, they're just not going to help you. And I'm going to explain why in a minute. A lot of those recipes are going to use basically 4 ingredients or 4 different essential oils. Thieves oil is one I've seen a lot. We've seen a lot with tea tree oil. Oregano is one of the ones we started seeing pop up again, and lemon oil. And for good reason. They actually are antimicrobial, antibacterial. Some of them are antiviral, antifungal. They really are. But for as far as a hand sanitizer is concerned, it just isn't the same as alcohol. And you have to have alcohol in your hand sanitizer. It has to be 60% or greater. And Dr. Bruce went through in that video on how to calculate that in his video on how to calculate the total volume of your container, and how to use like 70% isopropyl alcohol, 93% ethyl alcohol, whatever the case it may be. He went through that in that video on how to calculate that so that you can get at least 60% or greater total alcohol volume in that solution. I say all that to say this is our hand sanitizer that we use at our home. It's the Thieves hand sanitizer. You might have doTERRA's On Guard Mist sanitizing spray. That one's a good one too. If you look at the back though, all of these ones that say hand sanitizer are going to have at least 60% or greater alcohol content. This one is ethyl alcohol, 65%. I went online and looked just to see what else was in there, and I was surprised to find it's the exact same recipe as Dr. Bruce shows in his Do-It-Yourself hand sanitizer. In this product, it is 65% ethyl alcohol. There is aloe vera added to it, glycerin added to it, a product like hydrogen peroxide that's added to it, and then all the essential oils are added on top of that. So if you're going to do your own do-it-yourself hand sanitizer, follow the recipe Dr. Bruce outlined in his video where you are using 60% alcohol, you are using an aloe or a glycerin of some type, hydrogen peroxide, and then add your oils on top of that. That's going to get you the best results and keep you and your family safe. If you're looking at these recipes online and they're saying the alcohol is optional, that's just not the case. That is actually what kills the viruses and the bacterium and everything on your hands, and you have to go from there. Now, I've seen a lot of people, and Dr. Bruce went through this, they're going to use just a tiny little dot. You've seen those people do that where they rub just a little bitty tiny dot in their hands, and then they don't have enough of product to get on the backs of your hands. You have to use enough to coat your hands on both sides, get it in there nice and good. Let it air dry 20 seconds. You can't wash your hands after this. Let it air dry. That's what helps kill it, and then you're good to go after that. But this is a quick video on essential oils. Please like, share, and comment on it when we post it on social media, because again, we've seen lots of people, lots of different recipes out there that are misguided, and it just isn't true. You have to have that's 60% or greater alcohol content in your do-it-yourself recipes. Thank you.